Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ggfaison, and today's video, as you can see by the title, it is a battery operated chainsaw, one in which I purchased for my husband for his birthday. We were watching TV and saw it on an infomercial, and he thought it looked very interesting. So of course I had to get it for him, so you guys will get to see him use it for the very first time right along with myself today. So you guys, I hope you will enjoy this video, and please let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Before I could get out here, you guys, he'd already cut this down, and he's cut it down to the point of, now he's going to continue.
Actually worked. I'm shocked.
He was surprised that it really works.
I said keep the box because I'm going to take it back.
Battery operated. It came with 2 batteries and 2 chains. It's very small, light, durable. This was a little bit thicker than the other one, so we're going to test it here.
I've already cut down 2. So we're going to change the battery.
And this is how you snap the battery on.
I never changed it, so I guess.
There you go. And that one was a little bit thicker than the other one, so it took a little bit of extra power, but I think it's amazing.
I like it. We will not be turning it back in.
It's a keeper. Surprised you don't have your goggles on.
And my glasses. Quick too, not heavy.
It's probably light enough for me to, I was just thinking the same thing. It's probably light enough for me to use, but I can't. You know.
Oh, you showed that.
Has this little safety latch here, and that keeps the debris from flying up.
Yep, and plus it's got a lock.
And it has a safety lock. Now this is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing with you guys my husband's toy that I got him for his birthday.
Thank you.
Yes. And it has the 2 21-volt batteries, or battery packs, and then as I stated,
the regular sale price was $89.99, but you got a $15 off coupon at Amazon by clicking that little box that they have sometimes for an extra discount. So it was $65.99. So hubby was right, $65.99.
So this is what the little miniature saw did, and what, 5-10 minutes maybe?
Maybe less.
That's one pile, and here's the other pile over here. Oh, you cut a tree over here?
It was over here.
Where? Oh, you took that one and brought it over here. Yeah.
Yes, I am. I like it.
All right, you guys, this little handy dandy miniature battery operated chainsaw, it did the work. My husband is so in love with this thing. He really enjoyed using it. Let me know what you guys think of what you saw in the comment section below. Take care now.